के बारे में बोला है, आपकी भी एक बेटी है, जिस तरीके से बच्चों को, लड़कियों को बचपन में ही मार दिया जाता है, एज ए सेलिब्रिटी आप क्या रिएक्ट करेंगे उसके, आप क्या कहना चाहिए एज ए ह्यूमन?
Are you asking me to talk about your show, Save the Child?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Save the Child.
Well, yeah, I've said this often enough, and I'll say it again. I think I'm a big believer, and I just don't say it for effect. I joke about it. A lot of times it's taken out of context. The one thing that I truly believe, and I always stand by, is, I'm a big believer of women being the most underutilized resource in this world. Because within each woman resides a maternal heart and a lot of passion. And if you produce actually, why should we say save? We should produce more girl children. Because every small thing that you do, I was talking about education, anything that you teach a woman is going to spread further and wider than when you teach a man. Because a woman has that kind of feeling in her heart, she will teach her children. She is going to teach her society. Women know how to share, they're gentler, they're sweeter, they're kinder. I truly believe a world which will be ruled by women will be a much nicer world than ruled mainly by men. I'm a big believer of women and children and girls, and I stand by that, and I'm hoping for the day that girls take over the world, because girls like me also. So I have, for me it's beneficial, and they smell nicer, and they look better, and they're gentler, and every which way more pleasant people to be around, genetically. But otherwise too, I think from the deep down inside, it is one of the greatest resources that God has created, and I think we have not utilized it to its end.
Thank you. Harshada, you have ETV News?
नाम नहीं सुनाई दिया आपका?
हर्षदा ETV News?
हर्षदा।
आपसे पूछना था कि मतलब अभी हर एक क्षेत्र में जो कि स्ट्रेस लेवल बढ़ रहा है, लोगों में एम्बिशन भी बढ़ रही है, तो उस हिसाब से अगर स्ट्रेस पे फोकस करें तो हेल्थ पे किस तरह से ध्यान देना चाहिए?
सॉरी, फिर से बोले?
हर एक क्षेत्र में जो स्ट्रेस लेवल है और एम्बिशन लेवल है वो बढ़ रहा है, तो अगर इस दौरान अगर हेल्थ का मतलब ध्यान देना हो तो किस तरह से देना चाहिए?
मतलब स्ट्रेस को कम करने के लिए हेल्थ में क्या करना चाहिए?
हाँ जी, मतलब आप किस तरह देखते हैं चीज को?
अलग अलग लोगों के अलग अलग तरीके होते हैं। कुछ म्यूजिक सुनते हैं, मैं किताब पढ़ लेता हूँ, मैं टीवी देख लेता हूँ, I write sometimes if I want to de-stress myself. Some people go for a drive, some people just lie down with rose petals in a bathtub. So everyone has different ways of de-stressing. But overall, the one that works best for me, and I'm not saying it again because I'm on the Ants platform for fitness, I really think that half an hour of going and sweating it out at the gym is the best stress buster. ऐसा लगता है कि मैं इतनी थकी हुई हूँ या इतना थका हुआ हूँ, अभी जाके और काम करूँ. But I think when you go and work out and sweat, if you can break into a sweat once a day, I think you will be less stressed otherwise. And especially a desk job, everybody sitting, office के अंदर, competition, बदतमीजी, झगड़े, छोटी-छोटी बातें, transport, stuck in trains. I think it's very nice if you can find that space of half an hour and exercise and sweat. When you sweat, I think stress goes away. I try to do that.
Hi Shahrukh, this is Sohail.
Sir.
At any point of time, did you feel like you wanted to go a little more muscular because your colleagues of your age, like पहले वो काफी lean थे, but then later on like they developed a good muscle body. तो कभी ऐसा कभी आपने सोचा था कि थोड़ा muscular हो जाओ? And what is the best thing you like about your body?
Can't talk in public about that, but I can show it to you.
Abs के क्या हालचाल है?
No, I've never wanted to be more muscular. I don't know. I think everybody's got a body type, to be honest. And I don't like to show off, but I have nice, lean, long muscles. And I'm happy with them. I've never thought, and मैं कर भी नहीं सकता शायद, because like I told you, I have a limitation of what I can lift.
But in the beginning,
I only started working out when I stopped running and playing regular games, which is about 7-8 years ago. Till then I used to play football. I remember Dino, me, we all used to go and play football regularly. Then I got a little injured. So I started working out in a gym, genuinely being inspired by Leanne and everyone. Because I didn't know how to continue with my everyday workout regimen of playing, running, and because I'm an actor now, I hardly get that kind of time. So I started gymming only 7-8 years ago. So I never thought of having big muscles. I don't like big muscles on me. On others, fantastic, God bless them. On me, I don't like it. I think it's too heavy to carry. I think it should be according to your body type. On some people it suits, they carry it well, God bless them. But I never thought of, and the best part of my, because I don't really go intricately into bicep, quads, biceps, there was a time I liked my legs. But because of my knee surgeries, I've kind of lost out on that. And this year I've made up a plan that I should get back to my footballing big legs that I used to have. So I've lost out on it. I've wasted a lot of muscle, about 2.5 inches actually on my left leg. So I want to get back to, I feel very proud of my Pathan legs. I used to feel very proud of my Pathan legs. So I want to get back to making them like they used to be about 10-15 years back.
Shahrukh, food is an important part of fitness. What is it that you love eating but you're asked to control?
The wrong question for me, darling. I eat really less, and I'm genuinely a very healthy eater. I eat mostly grilled food from a long time. My upbringing has been like this. But I've never made a huge diet plan. अगर आप लोग बिरयानी खा रहे हैं तो मैं किसी घर में जाके मना नहीं करूँगा. I'll have it. But it's not. I'm a true food lover. I never want a particular food. I eat whatever's given to me. So I'm very clear that I don't have ice cream or chai. And it's very nice that people like to have ice cream, and we should. Yeah, वही खाता हूँ मैं आज. You have to be a little proper about food. But I'm fortunate. I have no taste for food, so to say, of a particular thing. No, there's nothing. There's nothing I can do without any kind of food. Whatever is given to me, I'm very happy.
Shahrukh, hi, Solo here. Shahrukh, you said you've injured your shoulder a lot of times as well as your back. My question is, would you like to do an action-packed movie like Krish or say the sequels of Doom, which has a lot of action in it and which requires a lot of rigorous fitness as well? So, what do you think?
Yeah, if I'm offered one, I'll do it. Yeah. I'm good with it. I'm okay now. I think even in Chennai when I was shooting the last action, I was injured. But I can do it. Like Ravan and stuff, I was again recovering from injury. Yeah, if I'm offered, yeah, it's no big deal. Yeah, it hurts a little. It troubles you a bit. You have to be a little more careful. You have to put one extra mattress. Some stunts you say, okay, I'll not give it a shot. But if I'm asked to do an action film, yeah, I can do it as well as I could do, say, before the injury. I'm good to do that. But yeah, it's a good thing. To prove it to myself, I remember I finished my spine surgery and I was shooting Main Hoon Na. And there's a jump in the movie, which is across a building. And everyone told me not to do it. I could do it, it was a big jump. But it was dangerous for the neck. But I needed to get into a space where I can do this without hurting myself, so I did it. So it would be nice. But now I think I'm fit enough to do an action film.
Hello sir, this is Kushi this side from Newsies to your left.
Hi, Kushi.
Hi sir. Sir, as New Year is around the corner, do you have any particular fitness pledge and what are your professional plans for next year?
My fitness pledge is in March. I need to be really, really fit. I want to have a body structure which I've never had before. I really want to do it. So I hope I don't get injured in the middle. I'm working out nearly every day, even though I'm shooting. And I really want to be very fit. I want to have, because the last year, like I told you when I started this whole program, I found so many excuses to be unfit that at this point of time, not now, about 2 months ago, I began to hate myself. That I'm so weak and I'm so prone to giving in to my weaknesses that I want to now, for the next 4 or 5 months, work really hard. I'm going to ask Deanne, I'm going to read this book in which किसी की तरह की बॉडी बनाई दूँगा. And I'll really work hard on that. Professionally, I'll finish Happy New Year by March. And then I'm going to think of what I need to do the next 2 films or whatever. Sorry, I can't.